Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by building the UI. Add a screen GUI to starter GUI and a centered frame for the menu because local GUI render per player. Once done, create text buttons for play, options, and quit so you have clear entry points. Make a local script inside the screen GUI to handle clicks locally. This prevents latency and security issues. Use consistent anchors and scale sizes so the menu fits different resolutions. Finally, add a remote event only if the menu must ask the server to change maps or load persistent data. Next, wire up the behavior. In your local script, connect every button. Mouse button one click to clear, validate, and act. For play, hide the start menu, visibility equals false, enable camera and movement scripts, and ensure HUD loads. Use tween service to animate the frame and button states for polish. Short tweens like 0, 25, 0. 5 seconds feel responsive. If play must request server work, fire a remote event with simple validated data, and make sure the server script double-checks permissions before changing game. Finally, finalize flow and safety. Keep player input locked while the menu is open so weapons and movement don't trigger prematurely. Once play is pressed, restore controls and optionally reset camera C-frame for a clean start. Add secondary options like music, sensitivity, and save defaults to a data store or player values for persistence. Test across devices and use remote event permission checks to avoid exploits. If things fail, first confirm local script is inside starter GUI and remote events are in replicated storage with matching names. Those two fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.